Welcome to learn. New program model. Select rotary. Set length and diameter of work. Set the working origin at the center of the cylinder. The origin position set here needs to be the same as the position where the machine starts processing. According to the direction of the machine's rotation axis, set the long axis to X or Y. Import 3D models. Import files in different formats depending on your work content. After importing the file, you can rotate the model's orientation according to the direction of the engraving. Adjust the length and diameter according to the size of your wood, or your actual product size. You can also scale the model proportionally. Notice: do not move the model beyond the wood. A rectangle can be drawn to wrap the 3D model position. Engraving the range within this rectangle. Fine-tune the size of the rectangle. Let the rectangle and engraving range be the same. If the wood raw material you are using is square, cutting is required, and the square wood is cut into round wood. Measure the dimensions of the square wood and enter them here. Choose a tool. Same as roughing tools. After clicking OK, a path for cutting the 4 square corners of the wood will be automatically generated. Select Model and Jumbo. Make a rough engraving. Select the rough carving tool. Finishing engraving. Tell a finishing tool. A round bottom tip tool is best. Depending on the smoothness of the engraving, you can choose an engraving line spacing of 0.1 to 0.5. What I set here is 0.3. Once completed, save the engraving file. Because what is done here is a 4-axis rotary engraving, so a custom post-processor is used. The x-axis of this post-processor is the long axis, and the y-axis is the rotation direction. depending on the machine model. Can be saved as one file or multiple files. If your machine supports the ATC automatic change tool function, you can save it as a file. If your machine does not have ATC function, please protect multiple files. If your machine does not have ATC function, please run each file one by one. Note that each file uses the corresponding tool. Path simulation time.
DJDW Remix.